Hello everyone, welcome to Panda Power Education. Students, in the previous class, we already discussed so many graphical method regarding voltage versus time graph and distance versus time graph. Okay, the basic concept regarding voltage versus time graph and distance versus or displacement versus time graph. So in this class, we discuss the topic that how to derive the equation of motion in graphical method. So what are the equation of motion? The equation already I told in the previous class. There is three equation of motion. One is V is equal to U plus at. Second one is S is equal to UT plus half at square. Third one is V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Okay. So in this class we'll discuss, we'll derive the equation of motion by the help of graphical method. So just see, I'll take a graph between velocity versus time graph. I'll take a graph velocity versus time graph where u is the initial velocity, start from A and travel after time, the final velocity is v, that is B to C is the final velocity, O to A is the initial velocity. Okay, the time is O to C, time travel, the time taken, that is O to C, or it is equal to AD. That means OA is equal to CD and OC is equal to AD. Clear or not in this graph? So just take first the initial velocity. How much? U. I am taking U as a initial velocity. From O to A, distance from O to A, I am taking initial velocity. Now I will take final velocity. That is V. Final velocity is V, which is C to B, that is distance BC. Clear or not? That is final velocity. From graph, write down from graph, just see BC is equal to BD plus CD. I can write BC is equal to BD plus DC. Clear or not? Tell me. Now I can write, instead of BC, I can write V or not? You have to write V is equal to BD plus, instead of DC, I can write U, because DC is equal to, I can write here, DC is equal to AO is equal to U. So that I can write, instead of DC, I can write U. Yes or no? Clear or not? Now, already told you in the previous class, if I in the velocity time graph, if I calculate acceleration, I can find out the slope of AB. I can find out the slope of A to B. What is the slope of A to B? A is equal to, that is acceleration. Acceleration is the slope of A to B. Slope of AB is the acceleration in velocity time graph. So that is acceleration, you know acceleration, that is BD divided by AD. Slope of AB how much? BD divided by AD, that is BD divided by AD. Yes or no? So I can write BD is equal to A into AD. Yes or no? So I can write BD is equal to A into AD. How much? Just tell me. AD is equal to OC or not, students? That is equal to time T. Okay, so I can write, instead of AD, I can write T. Yes or no? So just taking the equation on 1, I'll put, instead of BD, AT. So now just see, write down, put the value of BD in equation 1. So we can get V is equal to BD how much? AT plus U. That is equation, first equation. V is equal to U plus AT. This is equation 1. First equation of motion. Clear or not? This is the first equation motion. I am deriving this equation by the help of graphical method. Okay. Now we'll go to the second equation, that is S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Write down S is equal to UT plus half AT square. S is equal to ut plus half at square. We'll prove that by the help of graphical method. Okay, just write down. We know that distance traveled that is s. Distance travel is s. It is denoted by s is equal to, I already told in the last class, in the velocity time graph, if I find out the distance travel, then it is the area of OABC. So I can write distance travel s is equal to area of OABC. Okay. So now I can write, just see here, area of OABC is equal to area of rectangle OADC and another right angle ADC. Okay, so I can write, imply that S is equal to area of, instead of area of OBC, is the sum of rectangle OABC, area of OADC plus area of OADC plus area of ABD, area of triangle ABD. Clear or not? Just imply that S is equal to area of OADC is a rectangle, that is length into width. So I can write OA, area of OADC is equal to OA into OC. Yes or no? OA into OC plus area of ABD is equal to, it is a right angle triangle. So I can write half into base into height. That is half into base is how much? Base is AD. Height is how much? BD. Yes or no? Clear or not? So now I can put, imply that S is equal to OA, how much? Just see, OA is equal to U into OC is equal to T plus half into AD how much? T into BD how much? BD tell me, BD how much? BD is equal to 80. BD is equal to 80 or not? Clear or not? So now BD already find in the first equation. BD is equal to 80. Now S is equal to, just see, UT plus half 80 square. Clear or not? Okay. So this is the second equation, derivation of second equation. Next we'll go to third equation. V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Write down third equation. V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. We'll derive now third equation of motion. So we already studied distance travel. Write down distance travel, that is S is equal to, in velocity diagram, if I find out the distance travel, then it is the area of OABC. This is OABC is a trapezium. So I can write area of trapezium OABC. That means distance travel is S. What is the area of trapezium? Tell me. It is the sum of parallel side into height divided by 2. I can write sum of area of trapezium, sum of parallel side into height divided by 2. Already know about that. So I can put sum of parallel side. Tell me OA parallel to BC in the trapezium of OABC. So I can write OA plus BC into height how much? OC divided by 2. Clear or not? Tell me. So imply that S is equal to OA how much? U plus BC how much? Tell me. V into OC how much? OC T divided by 2. Write down, this is equation number 1. In the first equation we already studied V is equal to U plus AT. Write down V is equal to U plus AT. From that I can write AT is equal to V minus U. That implies T is equal to V minus U by A. So I can put, instead of T, V minus U by A. So putting the value of t in equation 1. So now I can write s is equal to v plus u into t is how much? V minus u by a, that is 2a. I can write yes or no. So now imply that s is equal to, just see, a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula? Algebraic formula, that is a square minus b square. So I can write here b square minus u square instead of b plus u into v minus u, that is b square minus u square divided by 2a. Now I can write b square, I can cross multiplication, b square minus u square is equal to 2s. Clear or not? This is equation of motion, third equation of motion. Okay. So if in doubt, please ask me in the comment box. Okay. So next class we will go to so many problems regarding this.